On September 21, 1949, the King of Manipur, Bhoj Chandra Singh, signed a merger treaty with the Government of India, which took effect on 15 October 1949, officially making Manipur a part of India. Following India's independence on 15 August 1947, Manipur briefly enjoyed independence with a constitutional government and held democratic elections in 1948. However, as a part of India's efforts to integrate princely states, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel initiated negotiations with the king. While Manipur remained under direct central rule for many years, it attained full statehood in 1972. On September 21, 1857, Bahadur Shah Zafar, the last Mughal emperor, surrendered to the British. The 1857 revolt began as a rebellion of Indian soldiers and civilians against the British East India Company, with many Indian rulers and soldiers participating. Bahadur Shah Zafar was declared the Emperor of Delhi, making the city a central hub of the rebellion. However, the British gradually suppressed the uprising with the military force capturing Delhi after intense fighting. On this day, Bahadur Shah Zafar was forced to surrender and was arrested with his family. His 3 sons were executed in front of him. He was later tried, sentenced to life imprisonment, and died in Rangoon prison on November 7, 1862. The Battle of Dogra, fought on September 21, 1965 between the Indian Army and the Pakistani Army, is regarded as one of the bloodiest battles in the Indian military history. It was a key conflict during the Indo-Pakistani War of 1965, with Dogra village near Lahore being the strategic target. The Indian Army first attacked Dogra on September 6, 1965 and launched a second decisive assault on September 21st. Led by Brigadier Asharam Tyagi and Captain Kapil Singh Thapa, the 3rd Jet Regiment played a crucial role in the battle. Despite heavy enemy fire, they successfully captured Dogra. Both Tyagi and Thapa were injured and martyred during the battle, but their leadership secured a significant victory for the Indian Army. Brigadier Tyagi was posthumously awarded the Mahavir Chakra, while Captain Thapa received the Veer Chakra for the extraordinary bravery. On September 21, 2020, Nepalese mountaineer Angrita Sherpa passed away in Kathmandu. He holds the remarkable record of climbing Mount Everest, the world's highest peak, 10 times without the use of oxygen cylinders between 1983 and 1996. His 6th climb set the world record for the most successful summits of Everest, which he matched on his 10th ascent. Though others have since surpassed his total climbs, he still holds the record for the most summits without oxygen. Angrita Sherpa was also the first and only person to scale Mount Everest without oxygen during winter, a feat he accomplished in December 1987. He was awarded 2 Guinness World Records for these achievements and was fondly known as Slow Leopard. World Alzheimer's Day is observed annually on September 21st to raise awareness about the Alzheimer's disease and dementia and to support those affected by the condition and their families. Alzheimer's is a form of dementia that progressively impairs memory, thinking, understanding, and behavior, typically developing in old age due to the gradual degeneration of brain cells. While there is no complete cure, its symptoms can be managed. The primary goal of World Alzheimer's Day is to educate people that Alzheimer's is a serious brain disorder, not just an age-related issue, and to promote support systems for patients and their families. International Peace Day is celebrated annually on September 21 to promote peace and non-violence worldwide. Established by the United Nations General Assembly in 1981, the day was first officially observed in 1982. Initially marked on the 3rd Tuesday of September, the date was changed to September 21 in 2001. The primary goal of International Peace Day is to end wars, violence, and conflicts while spreading the message of peace and goodwill globally. The UN also marks this day as Global Ceasefire, encouraging all nations to pause violence. At the UN headquarters, a peace bell gifted by Japan and made from coins donated by children worldwide is rung, symbolizing the pain of war and significance of peace.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.